A very good morning to all my dear students. In previous video we have discussed about chapter number 12, but today we will discuss about chapter number 13, knowledge bank. Okay, today we will gain knowledge about the world's first university, the art of navigation, Sanskrit and source of diamond. Okay, students, today we will get knowledge about all these different points. Okay, so let's see your book now. Let's see, students. India never invaded any country in the last 10,000 year of history. Okay, the world first university was established in Takshila in 700 BC, which had more than 10,500 students enrolled from all over the world, who were offered 60 subjects for study. Okay, this is the Takshila. This center of learning was situated about 50 km west of Rawalpindi in Pakistan. It was an important Vedic, Hindu and Buddhist center of learning. Takshila was specialized in the study of medicine. Parni, the famous Sanskrit grammarian, Kautilya, Chanakya and Charak, the famous physician of ancient India, and Chandragupta Maurya were the product of this university. Okay, 300 lecture hall with stone benching for sitting in this university. Okay, students, so these are all points about Takshila University. Now, the art of navigation originated in the river Sindh almost 6,000 years ago. The word navigation is derived from Sanskrit word Naugati. Okay, the words navy is also derived from Sanskrit no. Okay, Sanskrit no. Now, out of all languages, only Sanskrit has the power to say something using the minimum amount of words. According to the Forbes magazine, Forbes magazine, Sanskrit is the most suitable language for computer software. Okay, Sanskrit is the most suitable language for computer software. Okay, students. Now last one, according to the Gemological Institutes of America. Okay, according to the Gemological Institutes of America, until 1896, India was the only source of diamonds to the world. Okay, India was the only source of diamond to the world. Now, students, crack the quiz. Unit 1 to 3. Crack the quiz. Unit 1 to 3. Question number first. What are seedless plants called? Eucalyptus, cryptogams, Cladopotasis, Metasequoia. Okay, answer is right here, cryptogams. Answer is right here, cryptogams. Cryptogams are seedless plants. Okay, cryptogams are seedless plants. So you will tick here. Okay, in these points, crypto games. Now, okay, students. Second is name of the process by which plants prepare their food. All of you know how plants prepare their foods by the help of photosynthesis. So here right answer is photosynthesis. Okay, not camellia, honey locust, locust and nectarine. Okay, right answer is here photosynthesis. By the help of photosynthesis, plants produce foods. Okay. Now most cactus plants do not have. Okay, most cactus plants do not have. Okay, students, leaves, flower, stems, roots. Okay, roots is present in cactus, stem is also present, flower is also present, but leaves is not present in cactus because due to high photosynthesis, due to check of high photosynthesis in cactus plants, not leaves are present in cactus plant. Okay, so right answer is here leaves. Most cactus plants do not have, most cactus plants leaves not. Okay, okay. So here right answer is leaves. Which of these is not essential for photosynthesis? Okay, you know that students, carbon dioxide used in photosynthesis, water is also used in photosynthesis, and sunlight is also used in photosynthesis. The right answer is oxygen. Oxygen is used in respiration process, so right answer is oxygen here. Okay, tick in this point. The process by which plants lose water into the atmosphere is known as, okay, by the help of transpiration. By the help of transpiration, osmosis, perspiration and photosynthesis. Okay, right answer is transpiration. By the help of transpiration, plants lose water into the atmosphere. Okay, now olive Ridley is a famous. Olive Ridley is a famous. The cricketers, turtle species, grass types, vegetation, another name of the olive trees. Here right answer is turtle species. Okay, so you will tick here. Okay, turtle species. Now next is, which family of animal does a zebra belong to? Okay, horse, dog, cat, rat. Okay, zebra belong to the horse family. Okay, zebra belong to the horse family because horse and zebra both belong to the Equidae family. Equidae family. So right answer is here horse. Okay, now so we will tick about horse. Okay, which of these is a non-flowering plants? Which of these is a non-flowering plants? Dandelion, fern, oak tree and eringo. Okay, right answer is here fern. Ferns is a non-flowering plants. Okay, now next is ISRO. ISRO stands for, ISRO stands for Indian, first point is Indian Scientific Research Organization, International Safety Research Organization, International Satellite Research Organization, Indian Space Research Organization. Right answer is here students, Indian Space Research Organization. Okay, now question number 10 is here. Old name of Mumbai was, Mumbai, Ankara, Kanpur, Bombay. Students, the old name of Mumbai is Bombay. Okay, you will write here Bombay, tick at the Bombay. The old name of Mumbai is was Bombay. Now next, in which of the following states is Mount Abu located? All of you know about this. First option is Gujarat, second is Uttarakhand, third is Rajasthan, fourth is West Bengal. Right answer is here, students, Rajasthan. Mount Abu is located in Rajasthan. So you will tick here Rajasthan. Okay. Where is the Tower of Silence or Malabar Hill situated in India? Okay. Where is the Tower of Silence or Malabar Hills situated in India? Right answer is Mumbai. Okay. Malabar Hills or Silence is situated in Mumbai. Okay. Not in Bangalore, Chhattisgarh, Hyderabad. Okay. Right answer is Mumbai. So tick at the Mumbai. Now last one is, who was India's first Deputy Prime Minister? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Chaudhary Charan Singh, Morarji Desai, Jagjeevan Ram. Students, right answer is Morarji Desai. Okay, Morarji Desai in times of Indira Gandhi. Okay, the time of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Morarji Desai was first Deputy Prime Minister. Okay. Thank you, students. In next video, we'll discuss about next chapter. So thank you, very thank you.